Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remix Snap on Snapchat from camera roll. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Snapchat and you need to create a story and then you need to paste story on your account. So I already paste a story on this account like this. So let me show you. So this is the story and then you need to be a friend with that account from another account. And you need to open your another account. Once you open your other account, you simply need to open you will find this account story here. Click on that and you need to hold that for a while and then you can see option of remix snap. You simply need to click on that and you can remix snap like this. So this is the only method possible. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.